Loaded nachos are a classic American favorite, perfect for gatherings or a quick snack. Start by laying a generous layer of crisp tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese over the chips. Make sure every bite will be cheesy and delicious. Add toppings like black beans, diced tomatoes, and sliced jalapenos. For extra flavor, throw on some cooked ground beef or shredded chicken. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Watch as the cheese melts and becomes bubbly. While the nachos bake, let's whip up some fresh toppings. Guacamole, sour cream, chopped green onions, and a drizzle of salsa. Yum! Once those nachos are golden and bubbly, it's time to layer on the goodness. Loaded nachos are all about that perfect balance of textures and flavors. Crispy chips, gooey cheese, savory proteins, and zesty toppings, irresistible. They're shareable and perfect for any occasion, bringing comfort and fun in every bite.